Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liliana Rahma Sharifah. I am 13 years old. I am from Islamic Junior High School 5 KEDIRI. Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I will tell you the history of Jutnadi's struggle against the Dutch. Who is Jutnadi? Jutnadi is an Indonesian national hero from Aceh who fought against the Dutch during the Aceh War. She was born around the year 1805. Her father and husband were freedom fighters. When the Dutch occupied her homeland, she fought and separated from her father and husband. This separation was the end of her meeting with her husband. Her anger with the Dutch became even more intense when his first husband, Teuku Ibrahim Lama, died in battle with the Dutch in Bretagne, June 1887. Two years after the death of her husband, she remarried a Lithuanian named Teuku Umar. But unfortunately, the tragic story of her experience was repeated. Teuku Umar died in battle in Malabo on February 11, 1889. All troops, from now on we must continue her struggle of Teuku Umar, who was married. Jutnadi ordered the troops. After her husband Teuku Umar died, Jutnadi continued her struggle alone. Jutnadi continued to stir up the Dutch headquarters along with her followers. Jutnadi became the person most wanted by the Dutch to be killed because her struggle threatened the existence and continuity of the Dutch colonial government on the veranda of Mecca. However, Jutnadi's struggle was betrayed by his man, Paulus, who thought the Dutch with Jutnadi was hiding. Jutnadi was furious. Even though her own mood, she entered a betrayal sentence. On November 1906, Junyadi actually ended with return to Britain. She was buried in Sweden, and her grave was only discovered in 1959 on the order of the Aceh governor named Ali Hassan. Junyadi, who at the time was old and weak because of his acute pain, could not escape any further from the sudden Dutch affair. She was finally arrested and taken to Banda Aceh. Then she was exiled to Sumedang, West Java. In detention, she was nicknamed Ibu Pertu because Junyadi was so familiar with religious teachings. Junyadi, the Queen of Aceh Battle, a mighty woman, a true hero from her reality of her era. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.